open. Yeah, go open. Egg to girlfriend. I got so much dinosaurs. This egg. We open this one inside. Hi, yeah. You're there now? Yeah, go. Open the egg.
You're gonna eat the eggs?
No, open them.
You're gonna open them.
Yeah, go open them.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Dad, go open this one.
Okay, then we gotta put those in water though.
More? Okay, some more. Some more. I'll put some more in it. I'll put super high. Oh yeah. But you? Okay. They open more. Let me put some in there. You'll get it, but you like it? I'm going.
Why are we putting water in there?
That was so hot.
To make it easier too, huh?
Make it easy too. You want to open those first?
They don't fit. We'll put some water in here. Okay.
See foot?
Oh yeah.
It's coming out.
You wanna put this one in there?
I'm going to. You see those second color foot?
It's making sound.
That's you're opening. See?
Oh, you're so smart. It is. The water's going in the pores?
Let me say no more. Good.
There you go.
Friend. You see those changing colors, friend?
Let me see.
Look at friend. Those changing colors.
It is.
Hi. Now, catch on join to drag it more to it.
Yeah, we're gonna look for some dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the.
Go! Dad, we'll hammer it.
Hammer it down. Let's move this so we can see. Hammer this.
Okay.
Stick that one in there. Hammer it right here. Oh wow.
What is that?
I don't know.
Maybe more sauce? What is that, Queen?
Oh, we got some more water in there?
Okay, let's go. Maybe Daddy's face. Daddy's face.
Oh wow, what is that one? What is it?
Go to the camera, Papa.
What kind is that one?
Yesy.
Okay, let's get another one.
Okay. What in there?
What's in there, guys?
What in there?
Oh, wait, I see something.
What is that?
I don't know.
Maybe. You think it's a girl?
Put some more water in there. Oh,
What is
man.
What is that?
Rinse it out. Let's see.
Maybe.
Show the camera.
You can do this.
Okay, rest it. Good job.
What is that?
What'd you say? A Dinosaurus?
Dinosaurs? Yes.
Okay. Look at that one sticking out.
Yeah.
Here, hammer.
The Triceratops.
A what?
Triceratops.
Triceratops?
Yeah. Oh. The wood.
Okay, we'll rinse it out.
Can you also see?
Oh.
I can put it deep. We'll wait like 100 minutes. Yeah, see guys? Triceratops. I'm going to put it in treasure. It get big. You see a big one?
It's so big, yep.
Oh. Right, flying treasure.
Okay, hammer it.
Okay.
Hammer it.
I'm going to press it. Okay, I'll press it. You see digging?
Oh yeah, try to pull it apart.
I can't.
Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Maybe in one Dinosaurs?
Amosaurus?
Maybe?
Let's see. Here, hit it with the hammer.
Wow. So what's that? Oh, fun. Well, wait like 100 minutes. 100 minutes.
And then it'll be ready?
You want to see?
What kind is that? Show the camera.
What is that?
Edmonsaurus.
Dinosaurs. Yeah, we got a white. We got Dinosaurs, white. What about Hershey? I'm going to do brush.
Okay.
You see it sticking out?
Something's in there, huh? Oh, what is it?
Dinosaurs.
Stegosaurus?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Guys, can I see dinosaur?
Let's see.
Now where's my hand? See that one? See dinosaurs. The Triceratops. We're open.
Okay, try to hammer this one.
Okay, we're brush. Oh
there's
yeah.
the brush.
You see anything out of it? And you'll break it.
Oh, wow.
Maybe it's Tronton?
Wow. Pteranodon?
Not Tronton.
Wow.
And I'm out. Dinosaurs!
Spinosaurus? Ding, ding, ding. Good job.
I knew it. Got
Try to stick this in there. Oh, it's hiding in there, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see. Watch your fingers. Okay, here we go.
Okay, now brush it. Ankylosaurus.
What is it, say?
Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus.
Yeah.
Try to hammer it. There you go.
Ankylosaurus. What's that?
It is an Ankylosaurus. You're right.
Guys, this is. Oh,
How do you know all your dinosaurs?
so can I remember?
Because you remember.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hammer it. Good job. Teamwork.
You see something? I'm going to break it.
Oh, you broke it. Good.
Let me watch it. Oh. I'm watching it. Yeah.
Oh, man.
What is that? Dino Triceratops friend.
Triceratops friend. Part of the Triceratops family.
Can I watch it? Yeah, I do.
Oh, there it is.
What is that?
What is it?
Okay, maybe that no one.
What kind is that one?
See? Maybe now we got.
What is that? Show everybody. It's like a Paralopolis.
It's Montrosaurus.
Monosaurus?
No, just Montrosaurus.
Oh. See, he knows. He knows.
I know.
Yeah, you know your dinosaurs.
That Montrosaurus. That's why you know that Montrosaurus.
I didn't know until you told me.
I got.
There we go. A what? What do they do? Oh, show the. Oh.
The mantra, the can dinosaur that we have. Again,
You gonna show? Show us the Dilophosaurus.
dinosaur like this. Wow. I'm gonna do that.
Why are you brushing my beard?
I got my eye pen.
My eye? Oh man, there's nothing in here.
See?
Oh.
A Mosasaurus.
A what?
Yes, check out.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
It's a new creature.
Yeah.
Okay, try to hammer it. Ugh. Did you like Hulk? Hulk smash?
What's it? Okay, this is dinosaur, see?
Oh, that one kind of looks like a...
Oh.
Is that blue?
Yeah, check. You can see one? One can see? You can find? You want them?
A raptor?
Yeah. That name one Delta.
Delta? You're gonna name that one Delta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe in Delta you trick me?
I didn't trick you.
Actually, yes.
You're trying to trick me?
No, actually, I thought it was Delta. Come on, Delta. Gosh. Delta, come on.
What is that?
Delta.
Pterodactyl?
Yeah, what's it? Yeah, what's it? Nice. Ta-da-da.
Show your friends.
See, ta-da-da. He got in and dip. You see the boy. And ta-ya!
Wow.
Bye-bye, friend. Naya, Archie.
Oh, we got 2 more eggs left.
No, two.
Oh, there's other ones in there.
Huh?
Wait, this one doesn't have a dinosaur in it.
Yeah, it do.
Whoa.
That is a Z.
Oh, what kind is this one?
It's not Amazon.
Edmonsaurus.
No. It's much like Emma Crusoe's.
Oh, thank you for teaching us.
Wow. See?
Oh no, look at it has a thing on his head. Looks like a Paralopolis.
No, I know that is. That has those things.
Oh,
Not so sure. Wait.
I didn't know.
See, I told you. Wait, I told my next thing.
Yeah, this one's hard. I need your help. Get the hammer.
Okay, I'm gonna help you hammer it. Dinosaur.
Oh,
Yeah, where?
let's wet them.
Yeah, open it. Let me hammer it.
Hammer.
Go friend. Go friend. I said go friend. Help me.
Girlfriend or good friend?
Good friend.
Good friend.
Hey.
Hey, you're gonna hit me.
Guys. It is Gilminus.
A Gallimimus? A green Gallimimus. Let's see, show everybody what we got.
See, it melts. It's not melting. No, my dinosaur. I'm water melting. Wow. Like ice cream.
Like ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh man, is that another Gallimimus?
No. See, it's not so much. It's pay off with.
Oh, Paralopolis. Rinse it off and show everybody.
Paralypolis. Super tiny.
What's a baby one?
We got so many baby ones.
This one's hard. I need your help.
Okay. Let me brush it.
What is that? Looks like a Brachiosaurus.
Do it like Coke.
Like that?
Yeah. Your neck. I got so much dinosaurs.
Alright. And then we're going to rinse them out and then we're going to show everybody. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so see you later.
See you later.